Puffins, despite being small birds, can teach us several valuable lessons. 1. Adaptability. Puffins are excellent examples of adaptability. They have evolved to live both on land and in water, possessing wings to fly and legs to walk or swim. Their ability to adapt to various environments teaches us the importance of being flexible and open to change in our own lives. 2. Cooperation. Puffins are social birds that often form large colonies, nesting and hunting in groups. They demonstrate the benefits of cooperation and working together towards common goals. Learning to collaborate and support one another can lead to more successful outcomes in our personal and professional lives. 3. Resilience. Puffins face numerous challenges, including harsh weather conditions, predators, and diminishing food sources. Despite these obstacles, they continue to thrive. Their resilience and ability to endure difficult circumstances can inspire us to persevere during tough times and find strength in adversity. 4. Time management. Puffins have a limited breeding season, during which they must build nests, incubate eggs, and raise their chicks. They efficiently manage their time and prioritize crucial tasks. Observing their dedication to time management can encourage us to make the most of our own time, prioritize our responsibilities, and achieve our goals effectively. 5. Conservation. Puffins are considered an indicator species, meaning their well-being reflects the health of the surrounding ecosystem. As their population declines due to habitat loss and climate change, we learn the importance of conservation efforts to protect not only the puffins, but also the environment as a whole. Their situation serves as a reminder for us to be mindful of our impact on the natural world and take steps to preserve. 6. Enjoying the present moment. Puffins are known for their playful behavior, often seen diving and swimming in the water. They remind us of the importance of enjoying the present moment and finding joy in simple pleasures. Taking time to appreciate the beauty around us and engaging in activities that bring us happiness can enhance our overall well-being. In summary, from the small bird puffin, we can learn adaptability, cooperation, resilience, time management, conservation, and the art of enjoying the present moment.